Hello and welcome back to tksbar. I'm your host Tessa, and today we're going to be making a sour apple fizz. So, welcome back. This is episode 3 of our Halloween drink series, and this is my worst outfit of all of them, but I am Bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls. I know I'm not blonde, which really kills the outfit, but what you gonna do? Today we're gonna be making a sour apple fizz, which is kind of like a gin fizz-ish, but we're not using gin, we're using vodka, so it's a little different. So let's go through our ingredients and then you'll kind of understand a bit more. So first off, our vodka, we've got this Polar Ice vodka here. It's literally the only vodka that I have to my name right now. So, other than the black vodka, but we can't use that, we need clear vodka. So this is the one we're using today. Then I've got my sourpuss, and this is the apple one. We've got some Jones soda here, also in the green apple flavor. And those two mixed together are gonna make a really cool looking drink, because it's gonna be neon green, kind of like our last drink. And it's also gonna have a really nice like tart and sweet taste, which is really good. Then we've also got our simple syrup and our fresh squeezed lemon juice. And last but not least, we're also gonna be having an egg white in this one as well. Okay, so now that we know our ingredients, let's get into mixing this drink. So into the bottom of our shaker tin, we're gonna start with our vodka. And we're starting with 1 ounce of our vodka. Then we're doing 1 ounce of our green sourpuss, or our apple sourpuss. Then 1 ounce of our lemon juice. And then we're doing just 1/4 of an ounce of our simple syrup. Then we'll throw our prepped egg white in here, and we'll dry shake this first. Then we'll throw some ice in here. We'll throw some ice in our cup, which is basically just like a Collins cup, but it's like taller and a little bit not as wide, a little bit narrower. So we are gonna strain this in here. Then last but not least, we're gonna put our Jones soda, and I had measured out 4 ounces of this if you want to be exact, but I'm just gonna top it up. Then I've got a little straw here. We'll garnish it with that. So I've got my little apple flower wheel thing here, and we're just gonna garnish it with that. There we have our poison apple fizz. So the worst thing happened and my mic cut out while I was tasting this beautiful drink. So I will just tell you what it tastes like, and it is it's been sitting for a little bit now, so the foam isn't as pretty, and I don't have a garnish anymore because I ate it. So let's give it a taste now, and then I'll sign off. That is so good. So it was like even better before, and it's still good now, but it's got a really nice sweetness from the Jones green apple, but then also a really nice tartness from the sourpuss. This one's really nice because it's not as sweet, kind of different from those other 2 cocktails. It's got more of a tart or sour taste to it, which is really, really nice. And it's balanced, it's refreshing. I highly suggest you trying this at home. I think you guys will really, really like it. It's still got that sweetness in the background, but it's just not at the forefront. And if I had to choose a favorite out of the other cocktails, I would definitely choose the Witch's Brew, which was the one with the melon liqueur in it. Super, super good. But this one would come a very close second. Tied with the other one. I like those two both the same. So if you try this, I would love to hear what you guys think of it. Let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like me and you like this channel, I'd love it if you gave me a like on this video and subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this whole series with me. If you made it all the way to the end of the 3 videos, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see who watched all 3 of them. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!